Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to properly delete a post on Facebook so that no one will see it. It is very simple. To do this, you click on the menu. After that, you click on your profile. You go down a little bit lower and you open the feed. Now you press the three dots and you see the option Hide from profile. This function helps to hide our publication. But if we want to remove our publication completely, you go back to your page and you pull up activity log. And there is all the information we put up. We choose here public posts, and that's where we can select any post that we want. I don't have them because I haven't put anything up. But you select all the posts you want to delete, and then you click the trash button. That's a great way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.